Good morning, students. Students, today we start the indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals means antiderivative. Antiderivative. Converse of differentiation, derivative. That is called the integrals. In other words, we also called it primitive function. Primitive function. Indefinite integrals, either we can say primitive function or we can say antiderivative. If fx is a function, the definition of this one is if fx is a function, then all its primitives, other words we can say antiderivatives, is called indefinite integrals. The process of integrals, that is called the integration. Integration. This is the converse of the derivative. Suppose the derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. Then the integration of cos is what? Sin. Student, this is the symbol. This. What do you mean by this one? This is called the summation. This is called the summation of the function. Summation. And this dx means with respect to x. So this is the integration symbol, and we are finding the problems based on the indefinite integrals. In indefinite integrals, we always add constant c. Why we add that one? I also told you. Now here there are some formulas to find out the indefinite integrals. The integration of x raised to power n, that is equals to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant. Ax plus b raised to power n, ax plus b raised to power n plus 1 upon a into n plus 1 plus constant c. Integration of e power x, that is e power x plus c, a power x upon log a. Integration of 1, that is x, converse, opposite, derivative of x, that is 1. So integration of 1, that is equal to x. Here integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. Cos x, what? Sin x. Secant x, tangent x. Yes, that is secant x. Cosecant x, cot x, minus cosecant x plus c. So there is one important point. Why we add constant here? Why we add constant? Suppose there is a function y is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 7. Now we find out the derivative. Derivative is 3x square plus 6x plus constant, that is 0. And now you find out the converse of it, that is called the integration. Integration of this one, dx. So dx cancel, dy integration of 3x square plus 6x with respect to x. So this is y and this is x 2 plus 1 n plus 1 upon n plus 1 as here you see x raised to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 6 n plus 1 n plus 1. Now because 7 this constant eliminated when you find out the derivative. So because 7 eliminated here, in place of that you find out, you add c here because we didn't know what is the constant there. क्लियर नहीं है हमें कि कांस्टेंट क्या था, उसके लिए आप कांस्टेंट ऐड करते हैं प्लस सी. कंप्लीट फंक्शन रिवर्स होना चाहिए, पूरा कंप्लीट फंक्शन. आप जैसे एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 7, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 7 एलिमिनेट हो चुका इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट बिकॉज वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट कांस्टेंट, क्योंकि दैट वो एलिमिनेट हो चुका. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट वी ऐड सी. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी ऐड कांस्टेंट व्हेन यू फाइंड आउट द integration, indefinite integrations. There are some another formulas. The integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, what? Tan inverse x. 1 upon 1 minus x square and root sin inverse x. Minus 1 upon 1 minus x square root cos inverse x. Integration of dx upon x, x square minus 1. Yes, secant inverse x. Minus dx upon x, x square minus 1. Cosecant inverse x. That is cosecant inverse x. Okay. Now minus 1 upon 1 plus x square cot inverse x. Clear? The integration of tangent x. What is the integration of tan x? What is the integration of tangent x? Minus log sin x. What is that? Minus log sin x. Is this clear? Minus log, that is cos, not cos. Either we can say log secant x, cot x, log sin x. Either we can say log minus log cosecant x. Integration of cosecant x. What is the integration of cosecant x? Integration of cosecant x. Log cosecant x minus cot x. Either we can say log tangent x by 2. Integration of secant x. Log secant x plus tan x. Either we can say log tangent 45 plus x by 2. There are some formulas to find out the indefinite integrals. There is algebraic, exponential, trigonometric, inverse trigonometric. These are the formulas. Okay. There are some another formulas also. There are some standard forms such like that. Integration of x square minus a square. What is the formula? X square minus a square. 1 by 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus constant. Clear? Integration of a square minus x square log a plus x, a minus x constant, x square plus a square, what is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. X square plus a square under root, what is that? Integration of this one, log x plus x square plus a square dx upon x square minus a square log x plus x square minus a square. Clear? Now next one is a square minus x square under root. What do we have? Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Integration of dx upon x, x square minus a square. 1 by a secant inverse x by a. So there are some standard forms to find out the integration. Standard forms. Clear? Okay, students. Now we solve some problems based on indefinite integrals. Find the integral of secant x degree tan x degree with respect to x. What is the integration of this? As we know, students, we cannot find out the derivative as well as antiderivative, that is integration in degrees. So we convert it in radian. Pi x by 180, pi x by, yes, you multiplied by pi by 180, convert into radian. Now, as you know, secant x, tangent x, what is the integration of that? Secant x. Secant x. And upon pi by 180. This is the solution of this problem. Clear? Now, next sum is e raised to power log x raised to power 5 minus e power x raised to power 4, e raised to power log x raised to power cube, e raised to power log x square with respect to x. How we can solve it? There is one important concept in log. E raised to power log fx is what? Fx. What? Fx. So what do we write down it? We write down it x raised to power 5. That is x raised to power 4. This one is x cube, x square. Clear? And now we solve it. x4 is common, x minus 1. Square is common, x minus 1 dx. So last you find out x square. Now what is the integration of x square? X raised to power n plus 1, n plus 1. It means that is x cube by 3 plus c. This is the solution of this problem. Clear? Now students, there is a problem. What is the integration of x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x square? First of all, you find out the square of it. We expand it. X square 1 by x square 2 into x into 1 by x dx. So it is x square minus 2 plus 2 dx. Now integration of it. That is x raised to power n plus 1 n plus 1, n plus 1 and n plus 1. And what is the integration of constant? It means integration of 1, that is x. So here we have 2x, x cube by 3 minus 1 plus 2x plus c. This time we find out the solution of this problem. Okay. Now there is a problem. You find out the integration of 1 plus 10x. How we can solve it? Dx upon 1 plus 10x. What is the integration of this problem? Dx 1 upon 1 plus 10x with respect to x. How we can find out the solution of it? Yes. Yes, you convert it in sine and cos. Sine by cos. Yes, you find out the LCM. Cos x plus sin x. You find out cos x, sin x plus cos x. No. Now you multiplied and divide it by 2. Multiplied and divide by 2. We get 2 cos x, sin x plus cos x. And we write down it. Cos x plus cos x. Now add and subtract sin x. Sin x plus cos x. Okay, now we find out sin x plus cos x minus sin x. Sin x plus cos x dx. And now you separate it. Now you separate it. We get two parts. Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. 1 by 2. Cos x minus sin x. And sin x plus cos x. This become 1. And cos x minus sin x plus cos x dx. What is the integration of 1? That is x. You know, that is x. So there is a very important property. That is f dash x by fx. If there is a function in such like that form, then what is the integration of the log fx? What is that? Log fx. Log fx. So here you see sin x plus cos x. Derivative of this one, sin, that is cos, cos minus sin. So f dash x by fx. So it becomes log sin x plus cos x. So this is the problem, and we find out the solution of it. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus 10x with respect to x. Clear? Next question. What is the integration of cos raised to power 4x? Cos raised to power 4x. How we can find out? Students, we find out the integration of secant square x. That is 10x. Cosecant square x minus cot x, because they are the antiderivatives. Now, how we can find out the integration of cos raised to power? In powers, you only find out the integration of secant square and cosecant square. So, as you see, we does not know how we can find out the integration of cos in powers. So, first of all, you convert it. We reduce the powers. This is a formula, cos square A. What is the formula cos square A? 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. This is the formula. We write down it. Cos square x and square. Now what is cos square x? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So what we have? 1 by 4 cos 2x dx, square of it. 1 a square b square 2ab. Again you see there is a power on cos, that is cos square 2x. Convert it. 1 by 4, 1 plus, again you applied the same formula. 1 plus cos 2a. 2 cos 2x. Clear? And now you find out the LCM, that is 2. So what do we get here? 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x, 4 cos 2x dx. Here we have 1 by 8, 3 plus cos 4x, 4 cos 2x. And now you find out the integration. What is the integration of 3? 3x. Integration of 1, that is equal to x. So it is 3x cos 4x. What is the integration of this one? What is the integration of cos? Sin 4x. Integration of 4x, that is 4. Sin 2x, 2, and plus constant. This time we find out a solution. Clear? Now here is the problem. How we can find out the integration of cos x into cos 2x. The problem, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. How we can find out? In product, in multiplication, we can't find out the integration. We find out the integration by parts. In product, in multiplication, in yield to be method. But here there are cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. So you apply here trigonometry. Okay? Apply trigonometry. Multiply and divide by 2. You convert into formula. 2 cos x cos 2x cos 3x. What is the formula? Cos 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. What is the formula? Yes, please. 2 cos a cos b. No, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. We convert it into polynomial form. 1 by 2 cos 3x cos minus x cos 3x. So here we have cos 3x, cos minus theta, positive cos theta. So we have 1 by 2 multiplied it, cos square 3x, cos x, cos 3x. This is here. Clear? Now again you convert it, because we can find out the integration of cos in powers. Again you multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos square 3x and 2 cos x cos 3x. So here we have 1 by 4 2 cos square 3x. 2 cos square 3x plus 2 cos x cos 3x. What is the formula of 2 cos square a? 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. 1 plus cos 2a. 2 cos a cos b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So here we have 1 by 4, 1 plus cos 6x, cos 4x, cos minus 2x. 1 by 4, 1 plus cos 6x, cos 4x, cos 2x, and now we find out the integration. What is the integration of 1? That is x sin 6x by 6, sin 4x by 4, sin 2x by 2. This is the solution of this problem. Clear? Okay. Now we have the next question. What is the integration of e raised to power log 1 plus tan square x? Okay, students, what is the integration? Yes, using the property e log x, that is equal to x, right? So you can write down it 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is what? Secant square. That is secant square. And what is the integration of secant square? Tan x. Yes. Very good. Tan x plus c. Clear? So this is the problem. You find out a solution of it. In indefinite integrals, either indefinite integrals, whenever you have the power, either the degree in numerator that is more than the denominator, either equal to it, always we divide. So on this concept, there is a problem x4 plus 1 x square plus 1 dx. How we can solve it? Because the power in the numerator is more than the denominator. So we have to divide. We divide and you find out square minus x square plus 1 minus x square minus 1. Convert it in division along some lemma. So what we write down it? X square minus 1 plus 2 upon x square plus 1. And now we find out the integration. What is the integration of x square? Very good. X cube by 3. What is 1? X. And the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square? Tan inverse x. What is the integration? Tangent inverse x. This time we find out the solution. Clear? Now here is the question. Dx upon 5 minus 4 cos x. How we can solve it, student? 5 minus 4 cos x.